This is your warning to never wake your mom up when she's sleeping. Because when I was younger, I had a really bad tummy ache one night and I didn't know what to do, so I went into my parents' room, tapped on my dad a couple times trying to wake him up, but of course he didn't because he's busy snoring at 500 decibels. So then I go over to my mom's side of the bed, and my mom is a really light sleeper, so right when I tapped on her arm, she goes and I start panicking like, oh my gosh, mom, are you okay? She jumped up like she was just in a nightmare getting flashbacks from the war. But then once she sees me, she's like, yeah, I'm fine. Why? So I'm like, that's weird. But I kind of just brush it off because my stomach hurts so bad. But the next day, I asked her why she always jolts up like that right when I wake her up. And she goes, what are you talking about? She literally did not even know that's how she reacts when someone wakes her up. I guess she must just not be fully conscious yet when she does that. I had to stop waking her up in the middle of the night because it scared me so much. It was like winding up a Jack in the Box waiting for it to jump out at you.